DIY outdoor kitchen adapter tube. This is a 25mm square tube that slips over the three-way corner couplers and allows you to take a 21mm telescoping tube and connect it to the three-way corner coupler with this adapter. You may need extra adapters if you have a telescoping module and a grill cutout kit or slide inverter kit or a bar center slide-in kit, because those come with three-way couplers, and if you're going off of a 21mm side of your telescoping module, you would need these adapters. Those are sold separate. DIY outdoor kitchen union coupler. This is to connect 25mm tubes together. For instance, if you had two 4-foot tubes, you could connect them together and make 8 feet, and now you would lock it in with a screw on each side. We like to draw a line in the center of the tube so that way you have 50-50 inserted into both of the tubes. You could use these unions to make any length wall. You could make an 8-footer, a 12-footer, 16 feet. You can just keep going, screwing these together.